Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by running Malwarebytes with administrator rights so the app can access protected areas. Once open, make sure you update definitions now. Outdated signatures miss modern threats. Next, disable Wi-Fi or unplug Ethernet if the machine is actively infected to stop data exfiltration. While the update runs, enable detection of potentially unwanted programs and set scan type to targeted or full depending on time and severity. Do this now so the software has the best chance to find the virus. You now kick off a full scan to sweep all drives and memory. This is where Malwarebytes locates rootkits and hidden payloads. As detections appear, quarantine them immediately instead of deleting blindly. Quarantining preserves evidence in case you need to restore. If the scan stalls or malicious processes block actions, reboot into safe mode and rerun the full scan. Safe mode prevents most malware from loading and lets Malwarebytes remove stubborn components more reliably. Make sure to monitor progress until completion. Once Malwarebytes finishes, remove or delete quarantined items and then restart your computer normally to let changes take effect. After reboot, run a quick scan to verify nothing persisted and inspect startup programs plus browser extensions for residual entries you can disable. If symptoms continue, return to safe mode and repeat removal or export the quarantine log for support. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, use safe mode with networking only to update and rerun Malwarebytes, because most active malware can be neutralized there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.